Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to Fern Valley Farm YouTube channel. On this channel, we are pure country. We are getting a turkey ready for Thanksgiving. This is going to be kind of a quick video here. But all you do is take your bird. We got a 19-pound turkey here. You just take your turkey, you rub it down with butter, a little salt and pepper. And that's pretty, we got to stuff it too, don't forget. We got to put that in there, so that's all got to go in.
Okay.
I like to cook my stuffing in the turkey. I know they say you shouldn't do that, it's not good for you, but I'm 50-something years old and I'm still here, and my family has always put the stuffing right in the bird and cooked it that way. So you go ahead, just shove it in there. Let me hold it. Yeah, they say you're not supposed to cook a turkey. Or you're not supposed to cook. Hold on, let me shift this camera. They say you're not supposed to cook stuffing in the turkey. It doesn't cook all the way, and I don't know. You can get whatever you can get from it. That isn't. It's not. You're not good. You're not supposed to do it. It's not good for you. Like I said, my family has always done it. Yeah, they say you're not supposed to. You're supposed to cook it separately. Cooking it in the bird. I don't know if it's because the bird doesn't cook all the way through. But one of the tricks to it, if you're going to stuff a turkey, you have to cook it longer. So if you're stuffing a turkey, you have to cook it longer than the directions say on the package. Because obviously when it's stuffed, it's going to take longer for the whole bird to cook. So that's why, maybe that's why they say you shouldn't do it, because turkeys get undercooked. I don't know. And plus there's something to it where you're not supposed to, but I don't care. I do it. I like it that way. And I'm 50-something and I'm still here and never ever had an issue. I like it that way. So anyway, we're stuffing the bird. That's probably about one giant loaf of bread. I like to make my own stuffing. I should have did a video when I did this yesterday. It comes out really well. Basically all that is bread. I toast all the bread. I toast it in the toaster, let it cool off so it's hard. Break it up into small pieces, celery, onion, salt, pepper. There's 2 sticks of melted butter in there.
I don't think so. It will fit.
It'll fit. Just shove it all the way in. If anything sticks out the front, that's fine. So it's bread, toasted, let it cool, break it up. Salt, pepper, onion, celery, 2 sticks of melted butter. Sugar is what makes it really, really good. When you add sugar to it, it gives it a really good flavor. And add a little bit of water to it. You just dump a little bit of water. That kind of helps when it like mushes it all together. But obviously the water evaporates when you're cooking it. So I love the way that my mother always made the stuffing this way. My grandmother, I always like it, and people who've eaten it have always said they like it too. So anyways, we're getting the bird stuffed. Shove it in there. Even if some is sticking out the front, that's fine.
I don't want to stick it out. I mean, I don't want to.
I thought being this big of a bird, I made not enough stuffing, but that's fine. And then just hook the legs together with that little plastic thingy.
How? Make it.
Here, hold on. That little plastic thing there, hook the leg back on.
This one here?
Yeah, that's the best for, if you can, if it'll reach.
I don't know. I think you can. Yeah. Okay. Now, get the one you.
What? What do you want?
Let me wash my hand.
Okay, now she's ready. Who keeps barking? Ruby's barking at me.
Who's just barking?
We might as well make the salad too while we're at it. This way it's done for the fridge. Gonna do something now. We raise this up.
Okay.
Hold on.
Talk to me that one.
That way. What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna put it in there.
Want to dump more butter on it, or I just dump it on the tray?
That's fine. Great.
you got it. There we go. So this is going to go in the oven at 350 for probably about 5.5 hours. It's such a big turkey. Where's the pot? Make sure you, when you put this in, have this thing facing, have that facing this way. Have it facing the front of the oven so we can see.
Okay. And this one, we're going to put some air in there.
And believe it or not, the turkey will brown in this bag.
We're going to show.
We will show you when it's done.
They need some little air.
Where's the tag? Oh, it's right here.
You have to put some air in there.
But you don't poke a hole in it.
No.
And cooking it in this bag like this is really nice because it's going to keep all that juice and all that moisture in there. So this thing is going to be tender as hell when it's done. And brown. I mean, will it fit in here? It should.
That's what I was asking.
we got
Otherwise, that one, yeah. That one.
I wound up getting a bigger turkey
Let me
knife.
wash that because it's kind of.
I wound up getting, we were going to use a roasting pan, but this other metal pan works better. And those you can just throw out. It's one less thing to wash. Yeah, this is a 19-pound bird. Usually I go 15, 14. I mean, we got plenty of turkey here, so. Erase this.
Okay.
And you throw it away.
It's perfect.
That's it.
And
Shove her in the oven.
you wanted this one in your side. This one here. Okay. Okay.
Well, that's about it. So we will see the turkey in about, it's 9 o'clock now, probably, we'll pull that out probably about 10, 11, 12, about 2 o'clock it should be done, so. Like I said, I gotta feed the horses. I usually feed about 3 o'clock, so I usually try and have the food done by 3 or a little bit after. This way I can feed and I'm done. So I'll get the animals fed. So we'll be back and we will show you what this looks like when it's done. We'll see a little bit.
Scared.
Okay, here's the turkey, all cooked 5 hours later.
Give me that one.
This one?
Whose is this?
That's
Say hi, Shania.
mine.
Hi, Shania. Right, run, hide.
Okay. You want the fork, the big one fork? I have a fork.
How are we doing with this bag?
Just cut it off and throw it.
I'm not gonna cook it.
This is what the turkey looks like 5 hours later. See how awesome it is when you cook it in a bag?
Where's the
That's a beautiful thing.
big fork, Babu?
Pull the
Wow.
timer out. Here's the timer. Get yourself a timer or a turkey with one of these timers. It makes a huge difference.
Maybe.
Because obviously when you cook it in a bag, you don't want to be poking holes in the bag to check the temperature. So that's what the turkey looks like. All done 5 hours later.
I will just
Look at
something.
Yeah.
Did you know turkey?
From
Facebook.
Let me taste
Have you
this.
tried it?
This one is
Try one
yummy.
like you don't like donkey.
You have to try turkey. It's good.
Huh? It tastes like
The stuffing is my mom's recipe.
The what?
It's homemade, it's
Yeah,
not.
that's how my mother always made stuffing. I might have accidentally.
You want me to help, Han?
Don't make us try.
Let me do it. You will be the one to chop. Let me do that.
I got it.
I'm so excited. How's school?
Boring.
Like Shania.
Don't like it.
I mean, you asked Shania, same answer.
What? Ask what?
And she doesn't want me to.
Luna.
And she doesn't like to talk about her school.
Luna, come here.
Put it outside.
Oh,
And outside.
Doobie's outside?
Yeah, let him in.
No, wait till Doobie, no, he'll come in when he's ready. If he comes by the door, he's probably out sneaking and peeing on stuff.
This
Doobie's
oil
fine.
is from Turkey, right?
Yeah.
Wow. This one.
This?
Turkey is healthy.
Turkey, they say, it's got
It's good for.
tryptophan.
Grandma pulled the butthole out of the turkey this morning.
What
Kind
happened?
of gross.
What happened?
My grandma pulled the butthole out of the turkey.
Is that all? Well, make sure we cut that out of the video.
Right.
Oh, it.
I need a
No,
fork.
it's fine, it's fine. Don't worry.
I need a fork.
I just cut it out, that's all. Here. What was I gonna say?
Oh boy.
Here, I'm gonna throw this up here. No, they're not.
Is this video?
I make, wait, is it video now? Yeah.
I don't know. It's record?
It's on.
Oh, okay.
The red dot is on
Dido,
there.
here. Dido, look. Come here, Dido. Oh, you picked it up. Never mind.
Oh, yeah. I didn't want to all over the floor.
I still wish I had that ladle. It was in the fire, and I should have pulled it out of the drawer. It was mom's ladle. And I, even at the
She always
Salvation Army,
cut
I can't
every
find
time we
one.
make it. And then the Christmas we're gonna make ham,
Okay.
Raviolis.
ravioli.
We have that all the time. You want to try and pull that bag out?
Nah. You'll probably wind up.
Because I want the juice from it. I want,
There's
I
not-
want, I want the juice. Yeah.
There's not meat inside and
You want the bag juice?
I want the juice. No, I don't want the bag. I'm just saying we can pull the bag out. Maybe I don't know. We'll see. That's falling apart. It's done.
yeah.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
Looks very yummy.
Oh yeah. I like the skin.
She'll walk her out.
Oh,
What?
You won't
She'll
go.
leave her out.
if she was fine outside, leave her out. Yeah. Sorry, just leave it.
Oh, look at that fall apart.
Come here. Come here. Real quick.
And you guys can bring. There's a lot. That's the 19 pounds.
This is from Walmart?
Yeah. That's in Walmart. And I have the skin.
You know what? Go in there.
I love the
Oh
skin.
no, I was calling her in here so she couldn't run over.
Stop.
She loves her brother.
I can't wait to try it.
Try it. Take it some.
Taste it.
This is really yummy. Shina.
Wait.
No, no. What you are doing? What you are doing?
I got this.
And after that, I'm gonna mix my salad. Try.
Yeah, the Norbest. You guys sell Norbest at your work?
What is
We-
that? No?
The brand? I didn't like the Norbest at one time.
I don't know. What Norbest?
That
What
was
is
the
that?
brand.
Turkey?
Yeah. That was the type of turkey, Norbest.
I don't know.
Here, let's see if we can get this.
Here, where is that one? The
Now lift it up. Just put the fork in there, lift it right up.
oh, they still have it there. You still
See,
have
I
it.
want the bag out.
Then don't.
There.
Let me give you the back.
I know, I'm not gonna move it there. No.
Yeah.
There, now all the juice is right there.
How about that?
Let me
There's.
get the.
Fat. You don't want that.
Ah, okay.
Too much grease.
Let me get the. Hold on. Here, because you're gonna be all in the floor. Here.
Oh, that's like it's done.
Perfect. Now you got all the juice. Beautiful.
Purple.
Actually, put it right there. All right there.
Ooh.
And every time you're cooking, it's not getting brown like this, right? It won't be brown because you're cooking in the fat. What do you call this one?
The roaster?
Yeah. Yeah, it's not brown. But this is the best.
I know
right?
Lydia.
Yeah, I'm Lydia.
Well, that's because of the in the turkey roaster. Although I wonder if you cooked it in the turkey roaster, we would do this. You know what I mean? If you put it in the turkey roaster, cover it in the bag, it's got to be the same thing. It's no different than the oven.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah. The turkey roaster would probably do the same thing, but as long as it's covered, we should try it sometime.
No, no, no. Get over here.
Here, go to your cage. Go. Go to your cage.
Well, she can smell the
No,
food.
I
That's
know.
why.
Go to your cage and sit there.
I'm
I'll give some turkey for her. Oh, she's bitching me.
Oh,
Okay, there it is.
Get your drinks
I
here.
can't see.
Really? Here, I'll turn it so. There. Now you're not in. Oh no. Oh, sorry. Turn this way.
Okay.
Okay, everybody say Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
All right. Woohoo!
And I think so.
There
Come on,
it
have
is.
Schneider sit next to Skylar.
Okay, time to eat. All right. See you guys later.
Okay. This